will see how to convert your deck from Abaqus to Nastran and Nastran to Abaqus using Abaqus CAE. Firstly, if this is the path and this contains the one of the Abaqus deck, I will simply write CMD and my command window pop-ups, and I need to write Abaqus to Nastran J is equal to this file name. That's it. So it has successfully converted the INP to PDF file, and it also contains the log file which contains what is converted and what not. And you can see that the PDF file is also generated. Okay, so now again I will delete this INP file whatever it is generated, and I will now try to convert from PDF to INP using Abaqus CL. So I will again write Abaqus from Nastran J is equal to this one. So you can see that my MP file is generated. Okay, so this is how you generate. You can convert the INP to BDF and BDF to INP using Abaqus CA. Thank you.